Hey guys, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow reselling businesses together. Now, I am a full-time reseller and I'm also a YouTuber making reselling videos, but I'm going to tell you guys the number one way to grow your reselling business that a lot of people aren't going to tell you. And my tip is for you to stop watching YouTube videos. Okay, now hear me out because I don't want you to stop watching mine and not everyone else's as well, but here is the gist of it. Now, if you're watching YouTube videos all day, you are not listing, you are not sourcing, you are not shipping, you are not researching, you're not doing your customer service. You are tunnel visioned on looking at other resellers and not taking action for yourself. And if you're one of those where you're just watching tons of videos and videos and videos and not taking action on your business, you are missing out on really big growth that you could be having in your business. And really, this is not about you needing to stop watching YouTube. It is being able to take a self-assessment of yourself, finding out where your time wasters are in your day and cutting them out. And every hour that you're able to save every day of those time wasters is another hour that you're gonna be able to put into your business and be able to focus in growing on that business and making that good money that you deserve. Now, for myself, I have done that assessment as well. I don't watch as many videos as I have before. I've actually not made as many videos as you could see if you're a frequent watcher of my channel. My videos are a lot less. I actually took like 6 weeks off of making videos just to focus on my business. Because really, where are you going to be making your money? Are you making money while you watch someone? Or are you making money going out and learning and doing? And for myself, I would rather have you guys go out there and learn instead of watching me all day long. Now, for myself, I like to watch videos still as a way to wind down, or maybe I'll watch one when I'm brushing my teeth or sitting on the toilet or having lunch. But those are specific times of the days where I am open to watching videos. But most of the time, if I'm focused on my business, I'm making sure that I'm not watching them. I'm listening maybe to some music, maybe a podcast or something like that. But if you are watching a video, especially a lot of people, if you're watching on your phone, you can't be listening on your phone while you're watching a video. So make sure you cut those out. Cut out any of the other time wasters that you have. You'll gain that time back. You'll be able to reinvest it into your business and you'll be able to make a lot more money. So that's the short and sweet of it. Make sure you cut out all those time wasters. Stop watching other people's videos. Only watch mine if you have a little bit of time, and you'll be making a lot more money. So thank you guys for joining me. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Also hit the thumbs up on the way out. And if you want to watch any other videos and you have a little bit of time and they aren't time wasters for you, maybe check out one of the two over here. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.